Hello, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the Google Play Store on your Samsung or Android phone. So you might have accidentally disabled this. So on Samsung, for some reason, they have an option to disable it. I think it's because Samsung has their own store. Maybe that's the reason. But if you accidentally disable it without knowing, all you have to do is go to the top right and go to Settings. And if you disable it, it's not going to appear anywhere on your phone except under Apps. So you have to go back to Apps. So let's find it. Here it is, Apps. Wait for this to pop up and let's scroll on down. And we're just looking for the Google Play Store under here. So going down to Google Play Store right here. And you can see it's disabled, so you can just come here and check this real quick. And all we have to do is go to Enable. Right here, and if it's still not working from here, we can go to the three dots and we go to Uninstall Updates and hit OK. And the next time we go to it, it should update. And then we can go on down. We can go to where it says Storage. And we go to Clear Cache. And then we can clear the data as well. Okay? Now we can just open it up. And we should be able to sign in with our account. So you can see Open. We can just hit Open. And it should open. Now you should be able to find under your phone for the apps list. So if we go on down under here. And then we swipe up. Here it is. It's on the bottom here. It's the last one. And we can just add it to the home screen now. And then we can go over here and add it to the front page. But that's how you do it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.